Ever wondered how your body actually loses fat? Well, let's break it down. No gimmicks, just science. Stay to the end to find out how the fat actually leaves your body and you lose weight. Fat in your body is stored in fat cells called adipocytes, mostly in the form of triglycerides, which are basically molecules made from one glycerol and three fatty acids. Now, when you create a calorie deficit, meaning you burn more energy than you eat, your body has to tap into those fat stores to make up the difference. As your insulin levels drop and adrenaline rises, a hormone-sensitive enzyme gets activated inside your fat cells. This enzyme breaks down the stored triglycerides into free fatty acids and glycerol, which are then released into your bloodstream. From there, your muscles and other tissues take in the fatty acids and burn them in their mitochondria, that's your cell's power stations, in a process called beta oxidation. Meanwhile, the glycerol heads to your liver where it can be used for energy or even converted into glucose. But here's the part that surprises most people: when you lose fat, it doesn't just melt away, you actually breathe it out. Around 84% of the fat you lose exits your body as carbon dioxide through your lungs, while the rest leaves as water through sweat, urine and even your breath. So, losing 10 kilograms of fat means you exhale about 8.4 kilograms of it. What never happens is fat turning into muscle. That's a myth, and you can't target fat loss in specific areas either. Spot reduction simply doesn't work. And no, you're not sweating fat out during a workout, that's just your body trying to cool itself down. So if you're aiming to lose fat, the key is a consistent calorie deficit, good nutrition, and regular movement. That's the real science of fat loss. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.